Today we will discuss about the torque acting on a dipole placed in external electric field, external uniform electric field. We know that the uniform electric field is represented by the parallel lines. This is the parallel equispaced parallel lines represents the uniform electric field. Now in this uniform electric field, say a dipole is placed. Say minus q charge is placed here, plus q charge is placed here. The value of electric field is E. Now we have to calculate the torque acting on a dipole. We know that if the positive charge placed in electric field, the direction of force on a positive charge is towards the electric field. So it will be equal to F is equal to Q E. The direction of force will be towards the direction of electric field. Now if we put the minus charge in the electric field, the force on a minus charge will be opposite to direction of electric field. That is F is equal to minus QE is the force acting on minus Q due to external electric field E. Now we know that this forms couple. This forms couple, and the moment due to couple is, if you give the example, suppose that a rod is placed here and two forces. Suppose that force F1 is working in this direction, F2, but suppose that two forces equal and opposite force is working in equal and opposite direction, and this is the point of rotation O. Suppose that this point A, this point B, then the sines of both force in same direction, that is anti-clockwise. So if you have to determine the moment due to couple, so it will be equal to tau is equal to F into, that is OA plus F into OB. So if you take F common, so it will be OA plus OB. So OA plus OB will be AB. So it is F into AB. So this is the torque due to couple. So it is the force into distance between the force. Similarly, if you talk about this, the couple, this is working because of opposite direction. Suppose that the dipole makes angle theta with the electric field. Now this if we talk about this distance, then this distance is the perpendicular distance. As we know that the separation between minus Q plus Q charge is 2A. This is the separation. This point A, this point B, and this point C. Now if you calculate the BC, this is the perpendicular distance between the couples. So it will be this theta and this 2A. So this perpendicular distance will be 2A sin theta. So this is from here to here. Now again, if you have to calculate the torque, so torque will be force F into perpendicular distance BC. So it will be F is equal to QE, and BC is 2A sin theta. So it will be equal to 2QA E sin theta. So it will be 2QA, as we know, that is P E sin theta. So tau is the value of torque due to couple, P is sin theta. So tau is equal to, in vector form, this will be equal to tau is equal to P cross E. Now if we take the cases, at case first, if you talk about case first, then at theta is equal to 0, the tau will be, sin theta will be 0 and torque will be 0. Again, if we talk about case second, then theta at 90 degree, the sin theta, sin pi by 2 will be 1. So maximum torque will act here, so it will be PE. Again, in case third, if theta is pi, that is 180 degree, the sin theta will be sin pi, so it will be sin pi, it is 0, so torque will be 0. So this is the torque when theta is 0, this is the torque when theta is 90 degree, and this is the torque when theta is pi.